In this video, we're going to go through a nice resistance band workout you can do to develop your shoulders. This is a great routine that you can do maybe after you finish training your upper body or when you just have 5 free minutes at home. Hello everyone, my name is 𝙒𝘏𝙏𝙏 and I've been a fitness trainer and gym owner for over 25 years. And if this is your first time here and you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition along with me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I put out videos like this every single week. Okay, actually I'm filming this video in my personal training studio in Mount Kisco, New York. And let's go through a nice, real basic shoulder routine that you can do with these inexpensive bands. You can buy this at Amazon for like under $10, okay? The first movement we're gonna focus on is the real deltoid and rhomboids. We're just gonna grab this band. Pretty much how far your hands are away will determine how much tension. We're gonna pull this away, we're gonna hold it for about a second or two, and we're gonna bring it back. We're gonna do this for say 20 repetitions. I'm only gonna do about 10 repetitions for this video to make it go a little bit quicker. Another thing I'm doing, if you're noticing, I'm packing my neck. I'm pulling my head back. I'm gonna link up a great video I did on how to pack your neck. Check it out, it explains it in detail. It's a safer way to train your upper body when your neck is in a packed position. We're gonna do about 20 reps of the real deltoid work. And then really without resting, now this motion is gonna hit the lower trapezius, a little bit of the posterior muscles of the shoulder. I'm only gonna do about 10 reps for this video, but I recommend you do about 20 reps. Then we're gonna change sides. We're gonna pull this back. I'm gonna move a little bit to get this better in the camera. And you see I'm also holding that packed neck position. This is great. You get a great pump in the shoulders, strengthens all the posterior muscle. Now we're gonna move over to medial deltoid. I'm actually standing on this band, chest up, back flat, and packing my neck. And see, I'm lifting my arm out to the side, keeping my spine and everything stable. This is also a nice core challenge as well. But now we're hitting the medial head of the shoulder. There's actually 3 different heads of the shoulders. There's a posterior, which we did on the first exercise. This is the medial, and then there's an anterior. We'll hit that anterior deltoid next. Chest out, back flat, keep that neck packed. I recommend, once again, you do 20 repetitions here. I'm only doing 10, okay? And the last movement, now we're gonna step on the band in the front position, and we're just gonna lift it up. We'll do some nice shoulder flexion. Chest out, back flat. Don't arch the back too much. You want pure shoulder flexion. This hits the anterior deltoid. And I recommend, I do about 3 rounds of this. Actually, what I did today, I finished training my upper body today, but I wanted my shoulders to get a little extra pump, so I went through this whole routine. It felt great. And I always like to cool down with a little bit of mobility movement. You know, it feels great, you know, just to move the shoulders around, get the blood circulating. Actually, I'm gonna link up another great video I did on upper body mobility movement. It goes through the whole sequence that I generally do at the end of my upper body workout. That's a great mobility movement routine. But let's just continue. Let's do a little bit more here. Just moving that scapula really nice against the rib cage. You know, I like to internally, externally rotate the shoulders a little bit. Loosen up the elbows. Let's do a little thoracic side stretch. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. You know, this is a great exercise, quick routine that you can do just to get the shoulders feeling good, strong, and nice and relaxed. And once again, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And remember, if you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition along with me, hit the subscribe button. I put out videos like this every single week. Take care, everyone, and have a wonderful day.